So, do you feel like you're procrastinating a lot and not getting anything done? I'm going to share with you why you're not having a productive day. You're not productive because you don't have a proper nighttime routine. How are you winding down at night? How many hours of sleep are you actually getting? Your brain is overstimulated and your food is still digesting, okay? Which is not good. How you end your night is going to impact how you start your day, which leads me to my next point. Girl, you're not productive because you don't have a healthy and intentional morning routine. When you get up in the morning, what's the first thing that you do? Are you working out, moving your body? Are you praying, journaling, doing some breath work? The first thing you do when you wake up is stimulate your mind with your phone when you should be stimulating your mind with the word, okay? Meditating on some good scripture to fuel your soul. Talking about fuel, you're not productive because you're not fueling your body with proper nutrition. I'm a foodie, so I get it, but we only have one body and we have to take care of our temple as best as we can. It's all about baby steps. Every day you get to choose how you're going to treat your body. So you may choose to say, okay, I'm going to make sure that my dinner is healthy, or I'm going to incorporate more fruits and vegetables into my meal. You know, since December, I actually cut out Pepsi, McDonald's, and potato chips. I know, the three worst foods you can have, right? But these small changes lead to big wins, and trust me, you're going to feel so much better. You're not productive because you're still asleep. You're in your pajamas or you're in some tear up, rip up, stain up clothes, feeling and looking bummy. I know you've heard this many times, but when you look good, you feel good. And when you feel good, you have a more productive day. So get up, dress up, make up, and let your style empower you to confidently conquer your day. You're not productive because your environment is messy and disorganized. You need to clean your dirty house. I'm sure your house is nice and clean, but it may just be, a little disorganized, a little cluttered. When your space is chaotic, it impacts your mind and you're unable to function at your best. A neat and tidy environment that looks good and smells good always feels good and gives you a boost of energy to have a productive day. And lastly, you're not productive because you're not managing your time and you're overstressed, overworked, and just over it. So what do? You procrastinate. Your calendar is a reflection of you. You're depressed and unproductive because, quite frankly, your books look sad, okay? There's nothing in it. You're too old, okay, to be winging it. Stop buying planners and letting them sit there collecting dust. It's not about being busy, it's about being intentionally productive and proactive. Listen, when I do these videos, it's not just for you, okay? It's for me as well. I'm trying to practice what I preach. I hope this video got you guys all the way together and you're going to start having more productive days. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment below, like this video, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.